Welcome to Harford Attachments. We're at one of our UK manufacturing facilities to give you a taste of the product journey from raw materials right through to dispatch. So let's go inside and have a look at our manufacturing capabilities. Here's our newest fibre optic laser, complete with fully covered, fully automated waste conveyor system. It's one of the first in the UK. It drastically reduces the dust in the workshop as well as the safety. So this is currently cutting 50mm steel, ready for the side profiles of the quick hitches. So 85% of all materials are bought in a raw form, so sheet steel, which are cut on the laser or stuff will go through to machining. So these are 1 metre ditching buckets that have just come off the laser. Next process for these will be rolled into a bucket shape. We're in the machining section now where all the components are made for the quick hitches. This new Hass mill is one of our latest machine upgrades, part of the rolling investment programme Harford are committed to in their UK facilities to make processes cleaner and more energy efficient. So these are part of the 12 to 14 tonne unilock bodies, straight from the profiler. They're then machined with all the grooves in. Alongside manual welding, we have robotic welding cells for quick hitches and bucket production. 2 for buckets, 1 for quick hitches. Harford were early adopters of this technology and are always developing new ways of incorporating it into their processes right across the product range. So the buckets are designed for the maximum load capacity for efficient material handling. Because everything's machined and fabricated on site, we have full quality control of all the products and parts that go out of this workshop. So these buckets have all been welded up by the robot, then they'll make their way along the conveyor, final inspection before they head their way into paint. So as well as holding everything in finished stock, in this facility we hold everything in kit form from the Unilocks, Prolocks, Safe Locks, all the buckets, all the components are ready to go so we can be agile and respond to our customers and give them a great service. This is part of the storage facility. You can see we're racks full of buckets, attachments and everything ready to go, ready for any orders you may want to place.